Hi, and thank you for your interest in our 2014 Holden Commodore VF Evoke. It does have front parking sensors, 16-inch alloy wheels, very tidy sedan. All our pre-owned vehicles undergo a thorough 120-point mechanical inspection test, which is conducted by certified mechanics. Full cloth interior and plenty of room for everyone in the back seat. Jumping around the back, it is equipped with reversing sensors, also camera, just to make parking so much easier. Plenty of boot space in there. Have no troubles at all. We are a family-run multi-franchise dealership with a terrific reputation to protect, so know that you can buy with us with complete confidence. Really neat car, cruise control, Bluetooth, connectivity, and much more. Also note that we're complying with all current government rules and regulations surrounding COVID-19 to keep all staff and customers safe. Click or call to get in touch with one of our friendly sales team for more information today.